Imagine you're customizing the default Gutenberg editor in WordPress, and suddenly notice that it looks a bit off. The problem seems to be caused by the CSS you added to the editor. Instead of enhancing the editor, it seems to wipe out all the existing styles, leaving a rather peculiar look. You're using Bootstrap in your theme, so you wonder if you should include alongside your custom style sheet to solve the problem. Moving on to the solution, it appears that the issue lies in the on-page inline style tags included by WordPress in the block editor. These inline styles get removed when you introduce your custom editor style. The way to fix this is to merge the inline styles directly on top of your custom editor style file. By adding these inline styles at the beginning of your editor style.css, you ensure that the necessary styles are preserved, solving the problem smoothly. The key to resolving the styling issue in the default Gutenberg editor is to blend the inline styles provided directly by WordPress with your custom editor style. By incorporating the inline styles at the top of your custom style sheet, you can maintain the essential styles while elevating the editor's appearance. It's a simple yet effective solution that harmonizes all styles seamlessly, giving you the desired editor look without any weirdness.